there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1964 Mgb pull door handle Roadster that we currently have on offer. Really handsome dark British racing green with a mocha brown colored interior and cloth soft top, 4-speed chrome wire wheels, excellent black plate California car, still retaining its original license plates front and back. Super good body on this one. We ended up purchasing this from a dealer who bought it locally here up in the San Bernardino mountains, and really nice car, probably the best driving MGB that we've had in a while. You know, just mechanically absolutely perfect, except there's a little bit of weakness on the second synchro, which is a little bit typical for these earlier transmissions, but you know, still goes into gear fine and doesn't pop out and operates nicely. But yeah, this is one of our best-selling colors by a long shot. Everyone wants a British racing green sports car, and this is a fabulous example for not too much money at this point. So really good paint overall. It is older. There are a few little touch-ups you can notice up close. Little tiny, you know, touch-up here on a ding. Little bit of paint flaking here, but you know, if you get up close, if you get up within 5 feet of the car, you can start picking out a few little things. Just because of the age of the paint, it's been enjoyed and loved and driven. You can see another little touch up there that's going on the hood. But wonderful panel fit, and the car has a fantastic look from, you know, 7 feet back, 5 feet back. But like I said, if you just get up a little bit closer, you can just pick out a few small faults to this paintwork, but definitely doesn't need to be painted. Still plenty of life in this, you know, this quality paint that was applied maybe 10-15 years ago. So great panel fit, hood, trunk, doors. Bright work is in great shape. The rear bumper is the original. That looks a little bit older, but most of the chrome's been replated or changed out, and a lot of new chrome on the front of the car. That looks beautiful. So let's take a look at this car's windshield. Nice new lower rubber that was changed out when the car got painted. Windshield's perfect. Super nice windshield on the car. Brand new, newish set of those stainless, expensive chrome wheels, which is a super nice plus. So this is a pull door handle early Mark 1, really desirable, being an early pull door handle car. This interior, I've never seen this color before, but it is real attractive. It's kind of a chocolate or a mocha colored interior, maybe a cognac brown, but does suit the car beautifully, especially against this dark British racing green paintwork. Cloth top is excellent. That fits the car really well, and it's a top-notch quality soft top. I like the way they've recovered the dash, so all the trim is color-coded at this point. Loop carpet, which is really nice. The seats have been reupholstered. Is this leather? Yeah, it is. Wow. So these are leather seats, and beautiful condition. This is a really, really nice car to drive. Really nice and comfortable. Just beautifully dialed in, taken care of by the guy's mechanic. And runs like an absolute gem of an MGB. Let me start it up here. Really nice exhaust note, no noises, great oil pressure, pulls really well. So let's take a look at this car's engine bay. It's got a modern radio fitted, which is nice as well. Great original steering wheel that's been replaced. This is a brand new unit. What's nice is he's got a heads-up display here for the speedometer, because that's a little bit optimistic as far as the speedo goes. But let's take a look in the engine bay here. So this looks like it's been rebuilt. It's an 18V engine, which is the 5 main. It's the best engine for these cars. It's the strongest. And there's a VIN plate. Yeah, they've kind of tidied up this engine bay, and the engine is in great shape, and it's really clean. You know, you could probably just go in there and do a little bit of touch-up and paint work to the air cleaners and things like that. Original aluminum hood, never been hit down in these corners. So really beautiful body on this. But the bonus of being replaced, the engine being changed out with that 5 main unit. So now you're gonna have a super smooth, good power drive line on this wonderful 1964 Mgb Roadster. So there it is. Dark British Racing green, mocha trim, matching mocha brown cloth soft top. Let's take a quick look in the trunk here, see what weather equipment we have. It's nice that they've done the upgrade kit in the trunk here. The jack's there, I can see it's detailed. But wonderful, wonderful black plate California car. 1964 Mgb Roadster, pulled door handle, dark British Racing green, mocha trim, 4-speed, chrome wire wheels, double black plate California car. Excellent, excellent turnkey car to enjoy right now. This car is for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.